This 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is brought to you by Kaler Auto Sales. Please check our Google reviews. Everyone approved regardless of credit history. When all the others say no, we say yes. No credit, bad credit, okay, and amp. First-time buyers welcome. Lowest prices on the internet. All of our vehicles are inspected before we offer them for sale. We are conveniently located 5 minutes from I-95 in the heart of Fort Lauderdale, Oakland Park, Wilton Manors. Minimum down payments required. Check out our website at www.coloradosales.net or call 954-524-0400. This vehicle has a clean exterior, clean interior, actual miles. You will enjoy this vehicle like the owners before you. Visit us at coloradosales.com.